Hi everyone and welcome to the lecture where we're going to build a very simple AI tool, and probably this is going to be the fastest way you can create an AI tool generator. So we're going to create an AI tool that summarizes long text. And so if you have a long PDF or a long ebook, just copy everything, put it in this AI tool, and it summarizes everything for you in a second. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna use WordPress for this, so everybody is very familiar with WordPress. If you don't know how to install WordPress or how to get a free hosting with WordPress, make sure you follow the description or the tutorial below that I'm providing. And also the scripts that we're going to use in this tutorial are below available as well for you. So the first thing once inside WordPress dashboard is to install WP Code, which is a plugin that we need. We're going to need to install two plugins, Elementor and WP Code. So let's go to plugins, add new plugin. So if you type Elementor, you'll need to install this one here. I already have installed, so click install and activate. And then the other one is WP Code. WP Code, which is this one here. Okay, so make sure you have those two installed. I already have them both installed on my WordPress. And now after you have those installed, let's go to code snippets and add snippet. Click add custom snippet, PHP snippet, and here you are gonna paste the PHP script that you have available below. You're gonna paste it here, okay, the PHP code. So I have mine here. Let me just copy this and copy. Okay, and activate and save snippet. Also make sure you have this below here, run everywhere. Make that option available, okay? So now let's go and create the page where we're gonna have the AI tool available for us. Let me just give it this AI summarize tool. And update. Now let's go to, we're gonna need an API key. So if you go up here and you're gonna see API URL and this URL, and then make sure that key equals to, and you're gonna need, this is my key, but you're gonna need your own key. So make sure you go to Google Studio. We're gonna use the Google API free option because it's free, obviously. So, but you can use other like OpenAI API or other API you want. So in this case, let's go API key, click there. This is free, so it's better for us. So click get API key and get your API key. And as soon as you get your API key, make sure you paste it here, okay? Here, key equals, paste it here, and update and save. Now, let's go back to pages. Let's add new page. And here, let's type AI summarize tool. Okay, and now click edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor here. Let's click it. And here in Elementor, we're going to create the page or the front end for your tool. So we have here the title of the page, but let me just create here a heading. As you can see, Elementor is very easy to use. You probably already know how to use it. This tool summarizes big text to short text. Well, something like that. This tool. Okay. You can describe the tool as you want. And now let's type here. We're gonna need the HTML code snippet here and put it here. And here's where you're gonna paste also the code, the HTML code that you have below in the description. Just copy paste it here. I have mine one here. So I'm gonna copy and paste. Okay, perfect. So this is the box that we have, or the page. And as soon as you click summarize text, it will work. So let's click publish. And here you can click here and view page. Now in here, let's type, go to Wikipedia. If you type, let's go to Wikipedia and type Elon Musk and click here. So if you grab everything, we don't need everything, but let's just grab here this. Okay, so let's copy this. And if you go to the tool and paste everything here, click summarize text, and boom, it will absolutely work perfectly. It will summarize everything for you. Okay, so it works. This is very helpful for if you have long text that you don't have time to read and need resumed description about it. This is very helpful. Obviously, this is a very simple tool. To see how this works, we will create more advanced apps in the next lecture, but you can create basically any type of generator just by changing a little bit of the code. So let's say I want to create a joke generator. I just go back here, let's go to the code, and let's change. We have to change the main prompt that we are given to the API to return the result. So what are we sending right now to the API? Is, if you go to snippets and code snippets, status working, and we're gonna edit, we're gonna see in the code that we have the prompt here, which is very, very important. This is the most important variable here, which is basically the command that we are giving to the code or to the API to return the result, which is summarize the following text into a concise version. And this is pretty much the variable that grabs anything that you type in here. Okay, so whatever you type in here will be included in this variable. Okay, so summarize the following text into a concise version, blah blah blah, and then the text that we put. Now let's put here something like create a joke about, and then it's the variable. Whatever we type inside the box here, it will create a joke. Now we need to change the front end a little bit, right? So first let's update this. Okay, the PHP code, it's running. Make sure it's active, and also in the code snippets the status is active. And then let's go to and change this a little bit, but this tool, you could change that to this tool makes jokes about anything. And in here, let's change this text, paste your long text, which is in here. Tell us the subject for your joke. Okay, and let's change the button to the button create a joke. Okay, let's publish. Let's see if it works. So let's go and make a joke. So make a joke about, let's say, Italians. Create a joke. And there it is. Awesome. It works. Why did the Italian chef quit his job? Because he was fed up with the low pasta abilities. Okay. As you can see, you can create any type of tool you want. It's just about changing the prompt. Okay. And then the result will be whatever you want. So see you guys in the next lecture where we're going to create a full AI app. Bye bye.